Do you know how to join two sentences in English? If you do, you can become clearer and more fluent. In this video, I will show you how to use conjunctions in a simple and effective way. So welcome back to RBEnglishHub. In today's lessons, we will learn about conjunctions in clear and simple English. By the end of this video, you will be able to join sentences correctly and speak more confidently. So without wasting any time, let's start the class. Now, let's talk about what is conjunction. Okay, first of all, a conjunction is a word that joins two words, phrases, or sentences. Okay, once again, a conjunction is a word that joins two words, phrases, or sentences. In other language, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के अंदर कॉन्जंक्शन ऐसा एक वर्ड होते हैं जो दो वर्ड्स को या फ्रेजेस को या दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ते हैं. ओके, इट हेल्प्स अस टू कनेक्ट आइडियाज और मेक आवर सेंटेंसेस स्मूदर. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, लुक एट दिस सेंटेंसेस. सेंटेंस नंबर 1, आई लाइक टी. ओके, सेंटेंस नंबर 2, आई लाइक कॉफी. सो हियर फाइनल सेंटेंस इज आई लाइक tea and coffee. Okay, so here and join two sentences. So and is a conjunction. Okay, next example, sentence number 1, he is poor. Sentence number 2, he is happy. Okay, so final sentence is he is poor but happy. So here but shows contrast. Okay, so but is also a conjunction. And last example, sentence number 1, do you want tea? Sentence number 2, do you want coffee? So final sentence is, do you want tea or coffee? So here, or gives a choice. Okay, so or is a conjunction. Remember the simple rules. A conjunction is a simple joining word. Okay, joining word. It helps us to connect ideas or make your sentences smoother and make your English more natural. Now that you understand what a conjunction is, let's look at the most common conjunction used in English. These are called FANBOYS. These 7 letters help you to remember most common conjunction in English. Like F equal to for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and last one S for so. If you learn this, you can make better and more natural sentences in English. Let's learn one by one. Now, let's talk about the first conjunction, for. For example, I stayed at home. For, I was tired. Okay, so here, for gives the reason. It means the same as because. Here, I stayed at home. But why? Because I was tired. Okay, so remember that we use for to give any reasons. Let's move to the next conjunction, and. For example, I like tea and coffee. So here and is a most common conjunctions. We use and to add information. Okay, now let's look at the negative idea. Nor. For example, he does not. For example, he does not eat meat, nor does he drink milk. So here, nor is used to add a negative idea. Okay, he does not eat meat. Also, he does not drink milk. Okay, now we have a very important conjunction, but. For example, he is rich but unhappy. Here, but shows the contrast and opposite ideas. So here, rich means happy life. Okay, rich means happy life, but here he is unhappy. Okay, but here he is unhappy. So there is a contrast. Now let's talk about choice. For example, do you want tea or coffee? So here or is used to give a choice. You can choose one option, tea or coffee. Choice is yours. Okay, let's understand something little interesting. Yet, for example, he is tired, yet he is working. So here, yet shows unexpected result. Normally, someone is tired, they will rest. But here, he is still working. Okay. Finally, let's look at the last conjunction. So, for example, I was hungry, so I ate food. Here, so shows a result. Okay. I was hungry. What happened next? I ate food. So that's it. So these are the 7 most important conjunctions. If you practice this, your sentence will become smoother and more fluent. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to RBEnglishHub and keep growing yourself.